Okay, so we're just going to get straight into it today, and today we are going to be making either a burger or a soup, or both, depending on your mood. So first things first, I just weighed out how much leftover larb mix I had from the other week, just so I can be making the recipe for online for jollyspud.com. So I had about 350 grams, so this will be enough for about 4 burgers, 3 or 4 burgers, depending on the size, and enough soup for 4 people. So both steps will involve using a food processor, as this kind of blends everything up. So it blends it up really nicely, so you can either mold it into a pate for a burger, or to turn it into a nice chickeny paste for a nice thick soup. And then food process going, so it's the same spices from last week from the larb recipe, so give that a watch if you haven't done so already, or if not, you can find the full recipe on jollyspud.com. There we go, we've got the delicious meat paste here, chicken paste, so either you can mould that into a burger pate or you can turn it into a soup. So the burgers worked pretty well. It wasn't the most secure in shape burger, so do be careful when you flip it, but it came out really nicely and was very tasty. But I changed my mind and decided I wanted to have a soup as well, so I used the rest to make a lovely soup. So I fried the chicken paste on a high heat for a few minutes, and then I added some hot water, so then this turned into like a nice really thick chicken paste that's packed with flavour. Then to bulk it out even more, I added a can of beans. You can use any beans you want apart from maybe baked beans, but I use cannelloni beans, bonus protein. And then for soups like this, I always love sweet corn, it really does add a nice flavour to it. And then a mushroom stock cube, why not? Then final thing going in, just some wok noodles, and then topping up with hot water, and then that will cook for another 2 minutes, and there we go, all done. So all in all, this recipe probably takes no more than 15 minutes to make, 10 to 15 minutes, and then you've got a lovely dinner ready to go. So yeah, bowling up, and then serving it with spring onions and a big dollop of yogurt. Yum, yum, yum.